Hi guys, this is my Roomba. What is it? Let's look at the model number. Roomba. Well, just says Roomba, iRobot, and it's on. Okay, well, the problem is that I've got is this side motor here won't spin at all, rather annoyingly. So I'm going to disassemble that and see what's going on there. But as you can see, I have a dog, and it's thoroughly choked up with fur. So, and yeah, my filters are all clogged up as well, so I guess I need to replace those as well. So this is going to take me a few hours, but if I find a problem, I'm going to record it. Anyway, first of all, I think I'm going to clean this, open this bigger up and see what it shows. So I got the top off, and I see that it's actually clogged with here, so let me remove that and see if that makes any difference. Okay, let's see. Wow, that was easy. Okay, let's clean the rest of it now. Wait, stop. Next thing to do is get these rollers out. So there are two little tabs here. I'm going to pull them back. Need two hands. No, you don't. And this one here comes out. And you can see that it's got a little square on it. So that pops back in here. That fits in there, so it will only fit in. You have to wiggle it. Until it fits into that square before it'll go back in again. Which I can't quite do with my left hand. Let me clean this off first. So this is not bad, and look at all that fur that I got off this roller. It's looking pretty clean now. Let me see if I can find the culprit. And there's the culprit there. Hey boy, you've been shedding everywhere. Oh well. I'm going to clean up the rest of that Roomba. Hey? So this is the second roller, which I have to clean up and see if I can get that all those brushes clean again. Well, this dust collector looks pretty disgusting, and these HEPA filters look absolutely filthy. They're supposed to be changed regularly, but I'm just going to pop that off and pop the other one off as well, and find out where I put the clean ones. Brand new HEPA filter. And that's all done. Now this wheel doesn't spin at all, so time to clean this as well. Pops out. Whoops. Yeah, not good. Not good. Alright, time to clean this as well. So if you look at this wheel, you can see that one side it's not covered. So I think I should be able to just pop it out by pushing on this side here and just popping it out. But a bit tricky to do with one hand, so let me try that first. And in fact, both sides are free, so you can just push it out. Needed a bit of force actually. And where's this thing all clogged up? Okay, let's clean all that out now. And it's all done. Well, not freely turning, but at least it's turning. Pop it back in again. Oh, better than before. That passes freely turning. So, I think this job is complete. Once every couple of year job, I think. Thanks for watching.